Hey guys, welcome to Couch Potato Get Fit, and here is our at-home, no equipment, beginner lower body workout that I want to introduce to you guys today. I want to help you guys get to your fitness goals. Remember, go ahead and like, share, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and the Couch Potato Get Fit app is on the way. Let's go ahead and get started with some squats. Let's go. Now, we're going to do 10 reps, and we're going to make sure we go slightly below parallel because we want to get all the glute, all the leg muscles going. Now remember, keep your head up, chest up, eyes up. You want a good, solid reps. Awesome. Now guys, we're gonna superset this with lunges, okay? We're gonna do 10 reps each leg. Still keep your head up, chest up, eyes up. Excellent, guys. Now, we're gonna go take a 30-second break. Now, remember, if you wanna subscribe to more videos or check out more of our ab workouts, go ahead and tap the link above and we'll get you on your way, okay? All right, guys, so now we're gonna go right back into squats. We got 10 reps, okay? Chest up, eyes up, slightly below parallel, get in a good deep squat. A lot of times, what we see a lot of people doing is they're not dropping their seat in the bucket. And what I mean by that is that we're not getting low enough. We're not getting all the muscles in our legs. So we wanna make sure we're going slightly at parallel, slightly below parallel. So we make sure we work every muscle. Remember, we're driving our weight through the heels of our feet. Through the heels of our feet and exploding back up. All right, guys, now we're gonna superset this with side lunges, 10 reps each side. Now really stay under control. Now these workouts are strictly for beginners who just want to get started. Excellent work, guys. Excellent work. We're gonna take a 30-second break. But if you want to check out one of our high intensity workouts, go ahead and click the link above. Share, like, subscribe. Now guys, we're gonna get this thing started off with squats, 10 reps. Now remember, we're driving our weight through our heels of our feet. We're keeping the weight on the heels of our feet and exploding up, dropping slightly below parallel. So making sure we're getting all the leg muscles in the glutes, hamstrings, quads, everything. Let's go. Head up, chest up, eyes up, 10 reps. All right guys, now we're gonna superset this with step ups. With this variation, we're actually going to be doing it off the couch. One leg on the flat on the floor. Here we go. Rapid fire. Got 10 reps. Switch sides. Now, we're gonna keep going. One more set, 10 reps each leg. Let's go. Let's finish it out strong. So guys, that was our beginner workout for the lower body. If you like these exercises, share, like, download, subscribe. Couch Potato, get fit.